welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is She Persisted Budgeting and Saving. Today we're going to be doing Freebie Friday. I have a little bit of money to stuff, but before we do that, we're going to do our sinister affirmations. So how's everyone doing? Today is the day I'm filming this is actually Thursday, which is kind of funny because I filmed videos for next week already, and I should have filmed this one. I should have filmed this one first because it's scheduled for tomorrow. So find someone who looks at you the way a freshly turned she-wolf looks at the ominous glow of a harvest moon. I think I have already done this one, but considering we have a full moon right now, I think this is appropriate. So, I do have a little bit of happy mail that I forgot to share in my last video. And again, I think you're going to see this before you see the rest of the happy mail. So this is my member mail from Stuff's on a Budget. And look how stinking cute these coffee mugs are. I'm going to say all of it's hot chocolate because that's what I love. And I am actually going to put this in this binder for whenever I finish one of the others. And so today I have $20 to go in the bank, back in the back. And I'm going to be playing with, oh, wait a minute. So I need to get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have the rest of them over here, so I need 10 more. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Sorry guys, I thought I was prepared, but you know, so you just get to see a little bit. So I printed so many, I think I printed $40 worth, just so eventually it would be nice to have $40 to play with, but we will see how that goes. And I am going to use, I'm actually going to go ahead and use a 6-sided die. Maybe I'll use this one. I was going to use a 3-sided die, but I have so many cards. I think I'm going to go ahead and use a 6-sided die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Poor number 3. Hopefully we'll get back around. 2, 3, 4. All right. Dang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Oh, number 3. That's crazy. This is pretty fun. Do you guys do something like this? 2, 3, 4. And then I think that's 6, right? Yeah. So now we're back. 1, 2. Hopefully 3 will get 6. this time. Nope. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. And then I just have 2. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. I guess I really didn't need my cash tray today, but we're gonna see what each one of these are. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring out all of them just in case I need them. So for one, I need a marker. Let's see what we got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $7.50. So where's my calculator? So I have $7.50. So 1 minus 175. So that one's done. So I have $5.75 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. So that one's done. 75. All right. Yay. How fun is that? Oh, and I started Salem. This is for Salem. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very nice, very nice. And these two, I think were these debt? No, yes, this was for my debt binder. So I will, when we're done, I will cash those out. Okay, so number 2. So this is for Batman. So I got 175. So 175. Okay. And I don't know if you can hear, but Batman is already trying to come inside. He is, I tell you. I don't know what's going on with him. I've heard several people have been having, I don't want to say issues with their cats, but their cats have been very vocal lately. So I don't know if it's the season. I don't really know. So I have $1.75. So 1, 25, 50, 175. And this one is going to home insurance. So yay, even though number 3 didn't get a whole lot of anything, we still finished 1. And I'm not, on this one, I'm not gonna ring the bell because I'll be ringing the bell, you know, multiple times. I'm just not gonna do that here. So this one is property tax. So I got $1.50. So 150. So let's see. So this is car insurance, which is due. So that's good. So that's 1, 2, 3, 450. Oh, 475. Let me count that again. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 475. And these cards are from Budget Your Life. Eva over at Budget Your Life. So 475. 1, 2, 3, 475. I just need one more to complete this one. That's pretty cool. So she has a bunch of different themes. She's got a couple of Christmas themes and some fall themes. I'm sure she'll be doing other themes. I just went with, you know, a basic everyday one because I knew I was going to laminate them, and I honestly didn't want to laminate 1, 275. I didn't want to laminate, you know, 100 different pieces of paper. I said 275, right? 1, 275. 1, 2, 75. All right, and this one I believe is dead, yeah. All right, so let's see if I can cash these out. And I know we have one that I had left in here, which is car insurance. So was another one car insurance? No. Okay, so I might leave the car insurance one in there. So 1, 250. So this is 250. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is $5, and it is going to debt. So I'm going to cash this one out. Oh, here they are. I just got some new paper clips, so I wanted to use them instead of the big, huge paper clips. So, yay. I will put that to my prosperity binder, and this is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 375. So until I guess that's the funky part about using quarters, is I would need quarters to cash these out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until they are whole numbers for the category before I cash them out. And what was this one too? Did I not have? Oh, home insurance. Okay. All right, so these three I'm going to keep in the bank and put the cards back in. And I guess I'll go ahead and put the $20 in the envelope in the back, because maybe I'll get lucky and have another $20 next Friday. All right, so I know this is short but sweet, and I will add this to my debt, my prosperity binder, and it's, you know, very apropos that this is going to go in here. I do have some stickers that I got in some Happy Mail from my Gilmore Girls group. I mean, how stinking cute are these? But I don't think I have anything that I will add it to right now. I will just save it for when I have money to come in here, if that makes sense. And we will add it to whatever money I have available for my Gilmore Girls prosperity binder. All right, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.